Hello, Morris here with DeltaZilla. I've looked at a lot of forums and I see some people have a lot of problems soldering wires, especially if they only have their hands and no holders. Anyways, I just want to give you a few hints that I use and makes it a lot easier. I use a plumbing tinning flux. It's lead free and it's inexpensive. This is a small one, you can get a big one, and if you look at it, you'll see it's not just flux, it has like solder in it already, so that it tins and fluxes at the same time. If you leave this out in the sun, like I did, by accident, you'll find it even gets more concentrated than that, which makes it really easy to solder things. Let me show you. So I'm making a voltage divider here, and I have to solder these two wires together. Actually it's 3 wires because I need a in and out. Okay, so I just wrap the wires around each other. Oops. And then I have that flux over here in a container, and I just dip it into that flux. It's okay if you get a lot on there. I take some solder and put it on the iron so that it's just kind of a drop of it is on the tip, and that's it. All soldered, all tinned together. You can tin wires, you can make connections, anything you want, but when you use that stuff, I'll tell you, it's really, really easy to do. You never get a bad connection. Thanks a lot.